really think you could beat me in my own game?
Hey!
Oh, for f***'s sake.
Leave him alone!
Mario?
Well, looks like someone's finally learning to play along.
We're leaving without your...
I know. And that's why I love having you here. You can't quit any more than I can.
Yeah, I've been told that before.
Well, looks like you still got some learning to do. But I got eternity to teach you anyway. Told you not to shoot. Pathetic. Years of splatfest training, and you can't even aim! And trust me, when I'm done with you, you'll never even want to leave. I'll just reset you all again once I kill you! You stupid sheriff!
It's over.
Well, you finally won. Well played. What's the plan now, Champion Maggie? I'll just come back tomorrow, and you'll all still be stuck in here with me.
I don't think so.
What?
Mario? I never thought I'd be so happy to see you.
Maggie! Get back here! Don't you dare walk away from me! You will not leave me behind!
I wish I could have been your friend.